Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video I'm going to share one more word. But before that, let me address to one of your nagging concerns, and that concern is that why all the videos on Dr. Shashi Tharoor. So let me clarify here that this is a complete video series on Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book Tharoorosaurus that has been there from the very beginning, and this book contains 53 words, and the word of the video that I'm going to share in this video is 19th. So I intend to share all the words of this book, which are in total 53. So stay tuned into TEC and keep learning words from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus. The word that would be on your screen is impeach, and see, very interesting cartoon there. Ex-American President Donald Trump showing the victory symbol, and on the other hand, the figure holding his arm and trying to pull him off. So that's an attempt, not a complete defeat or conviction. So impeach is a verb, and it means to raise doubts about, call into question, discredit, especially someone's credibility, to bring formal charges against an office holder. And it's very pertinent to clarify here that it is important to note that when a public official is impeached, this only means he has been charged, not convicted, and removed from office. The President of the United States may be impeached by the House of Representatives, but then must be convicted by the Senate. So it's an attempt, it's a charge, it's not a conviction. And impeachment must be differentiated from conviction. The usage is, how dare you impeach my credibility? Sign out, interrogation. That is missing in the PPT. So you add sign out, interrogation, and I hope the difference between impeach and conviction is clear. And this way, through this cartoon, ex-American President Donald Trump being pulled out by a figure would make it last longer in your memory. And if you are new on this channel, and if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.